Hello and welcome to a look at the incredibly versatile Whitmor 3-tier metal shelving unit. This heavy-duty storage solution features durable steel construction that is fully NSF certified. Each individual shelf supports up to 400 pounds for a massive 1,200-pound total capacity. You can easily adjust the grid wire shelves in 1-inch increments to fit your items. The unit stands 36 inches tall and requires absolutely no tools for a quick assembly. Use these shelves to organize your kitchen, garage, basement, or office space with total ease. These leveling feet ensure that your items remain stable on any floor surface throughout your home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.